अस्सलाम वालेकुम क्लास। क्या हाल चाल है? ठीक है आप? हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे थे एफएससी बायोलॉजी के एमसीक्यूज़, तो पार्ट 1 के उसका आज का जो हमारा यूनिट है वो है यूनिट नंबर 2। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो हमारा पहला एमसीक्यूज़ है वो है कार्बन इज़ अ। तो कार्बन क्या है? टेट्रावेलेंट है। सेकंड पे द कंपाउंड फाउंड बाय द कम्बिनेशन ऑफ एन नाइट्रोजनस बेस एंड अ पेंटोज शुगर इज कॉल्ड एज न्यूक्लियोसाइड। तो राइट आंसर इज बीटा। In free state, glucose is present in dates. The right answer is alpha. The amount of heat absorbed by water, it changes into gas, is called heat of vaporization. Right answer is beta. Phosphatidylcholine is one of the common phospholipids. Right answer is alpha. The one that is not a lipid. So the right answer is beta chitin. Peptide bond is between. So the right answer is alpha carbon and nitrogen. Fats and oil have specific gravity of about 0.8. Right answer is alpha. The percentage of water in bacterial cell is about, तो कितनी होती है? 70%. Right answer is delta. Which type of bond is not formed in maintaining the tertiary structure of proteins? So the right answer is delta interactions. Monosaccharides which are rare in nature and occur in some bacteria. Tetrosis. Right answer is beta. Most abundant protein on earth is Rubisco. Right answer is alpha. The most abundant carbohydrate in nature is cellulose. Right answer is beta. Which is not a polysaccharide? इनमें से कौन सा polysaccharide नहीं है? तो right answer is beta cutin. Keratin is an example of fibrous proteins present in nail and hair. Right answer is delta. Most of the monosaccharides form a ring structure when in. Right answer is alpha water. The covalent bond between two monosaccharides is called glycosidic bond. Right answer is beta. Which is not a conjugated molecule? Right answer is polysaccharides. Right answer is Charlie. Enzyme which converts single-stranded RNA genome into double-stranded viral DNA is called reverse transcription. Right answer is alpha. Cotton is the pure form of cellulose. Right answer is alpha. Amino acids are linked to each other by peptide bond. Right answer is delta. Melting point of palmitic acid is 63.1 degree Celsius. Right answer is alpha. Most of cellular secretions are in nature. Right answer is delta glycoproteins. Most brain content water about 85%. Right answer is delta. In bacterial cells the water percentage is 70%. Right answer is Charlie. Hemoglobin is a globular protein. Right answer is beta. In free state glucose is present in dates. Right answer is alpha. The messenger RNA of the total cell RNA is about. Right answer is alpha 3 to 4%. The branch of biology which deals with the study of chemical components and the chemical process is biochemistry. Right answer is Charlie. All the chemical taking place within a cell are collectively known as metabolism. Right answer is alpha. When two or more atoms complete their electron shell by sharing electrons, the covalent bonds. Right answer is beta. In nature, how many monosaccharides with carbon atoms are found? 3 to 7 carbon atoms. Right answer is alpha. Which is known as animal starch? Glycogen. Right answer is Charlie. Lipids are heterogeneous group of compounds related to fatty acids. Right answer is alpha. Waxes are widespread as protective coatings on fruits and leaves. Right answer is beta. Proteins are the polymers of amino acids. Right answer is alpha. Who was the first scientist who determined the sequence of amino acids in protein molecule? F. Sanger. Right answer is beta. Hemoglobin is composed of how many amino acids? So the right answer is Charlie, 574. Globular proteins differ from fibrous proteins in being soluble in aqueous media. Right answer is Charlie. Amino acids are arranged in proper sequence during protein synthesis according to the instruction transcript on messenger RNA. Right answer is Charlie. Which one of the following kinds of atoms does not occur in carbohydrates? Right answer is nitrogen, delta. A triglyceride is a lipid. Right answer is beta. Which of the following is protein? So the right answer is alpha, insulin. Which one of the following is an organic molecule? C6H12O6. Right answer is alpha, glucose molecule. Enzymes are proteins in nature. Right answer is Charlie. Peptide bond is a carbon nitrogen link. Right answer is alpha. Glycerol is the backbone for triglycerides. Right answer is delta. Peptide bond are found in proteins. Right answer is beta. When a protein undergoes a hydrolysis reaction, the end products are amino acids. Right answer is alpha. The biological function of a protein is determined by its primary structure. Right answer is alpha. Glycogen is an example of both A and B. इसमें पॉलीसेकेराइड भी आ सकता है, मोनोसेकेराइड भी, दोनों इसमें शामिल है. राइट आंसर इज डेल्टा. Animals obtain carbohydrates mainly from starch. Right answer is beta. Which class of molecule is the major component of cell membrane? Phospholipids. Right answer is alpha. To produce lactose, glucose and galactose must undergo a dehydration reaction. Right answer is Charlie. Nucleoside contains base and sugar. Right answer is alpha. ATP is a nucleotide. Right answer is alpha. The sugar molecule present in nucleotide is pentose. Right answer is Charlie. Which of the following nucleotide contain only ribose sugar and not deoxyribose? Right answer is beta, uracil and जिसमें पेंटोस शुगर एंड फास्फेट होगा. Purine base found in RNA is guanine. Right answer is Charlie. Genetic mutation occurs in DNA. Right answer is alpha. DNA is present in nucleus, mitochondria and chloroplast. Right answer is delta. DNA is genetic material in इन सम वायरसेस, जिसमें प्रोकैरियोट्स भी हैं और यूकैरियोट्स भी हो सकते हैं। डेल्टा राइट आंसर। टू स्ट्रैंड्स इन अ डीएनए डबल इज जॉइंड बाय हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड। राइट आंसर इज बीटा। Chromatin is composed of nucleic acids and protein. Alpha right answer. The basic repeating units of DNA molecule is nucleotides. Right answer is beta. Adjacent nucleotides are joined by phosphodiester bond. Right answer is delta. The length of one turn of DNA is 34 angstrom. Right answer is beta. The width of DNA molecule is 20 angstrom. Right answer is Charlie. The length of DNA having 23 base pair is 74.8 angstrom. Right answer is delta. Left-handed DNA is zDNA. Right answer is Charlie. zDNA have a zigzag appearance. Right answer is beta. A short length of DNA molecule has 80 thymine and 80 guanine base. The total number of nucleotide in the DNA fragment is 320. Right answer is Charlie. DNA fingerprinting recognizes the differences in both A and C. इसमें सैटेलाइट डीएनए भी हो सकता है एंड रिपीटेटिव भी डीएनए हो सकता है। तो राइट आंसर इज डेल्टा। If the DNA strand has nitrogen base sequence ATTGCC, the messenger RNA will have, तो इसके अपोजिट आएगा UAACGG। राइट आंसर इज चार्ली। The type of coiling in DNA is right-handed. Right answer is delta. In DNA, the enzyme which breaks the hydrogen bond is helicase. Right answer is beta. The total DNA comprises what amount of cytoplasm DNA in cells? Right answer is delta 1 to 5%. How many stop codons are there in the genetic code? तो ये 3 stop codons है। Right answer is Charlie. Which of the following statement is true about DNA polymerase? Right answer is beta. DNA polymerase can synthesize DNA in the 5 to 3 direction. The deoxyribose nucleic acid DNA structure was proposed in 1953. Right answer is delta. The scientists who proposed DNA structure are फ्रैंकिस क्रिक एंड जेम्स वैटसन, जो जिसे हम शॉर्टकट वाटसन एंड क्रिक मॉडल भी कहते हैं। अल्फा राइट आंसर। तो ये मतलब जितने हमने पीछे एमसीक्यू डिस्कस किए तो उन सारों के यहाँ पे भी ऑप्शन लिखे गए हैं। अगर इनमें से आपको कोई लगता है कि ये ऑप्शन सही नहीं तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हैं। शुक्रिया।